Smoking a little perk. Fuck y'all niggas, man. Niggas ain't saying shit. West Side, Goon Squad. Yeah, man. We blowing perk.
I had bad days, but shit can get better. Disrespect me, I'm Floyd Mayweather. Knock a nigga out, man, to the nigga death. I'ma swing a right, then hit him with a left, then he fall on the ground, make the nigga frown. When I'm in your city, better believe it going down. And I smoke a whole pound, everybody come around. Bitch, I'm going ham in the city. When it come to money, you can say that I got plenty. I don't fuck with these niggas, cause they act like they too friendly. I don't ask for shit, cause they act like they stingy. Nigga, you ain't got a penny. Nigga, get your dollar cause you bitch, you wanna holler. Every time I bust a nut, man, I make the bitch swallow. If she can't, then she better goggle. And if she might drown, then the hoe better swallow. And I hope she got a goggle cause I'm busting on the face. Hit her front and back while I'm grabbing on the waist. I had to bring her to my place. Disrespect me and I'ma up with that K. I ain't playing with you niggas. What you saying, little nigga? Fuck it, I'm the man, little nigga. Can't nobody beat me when it comes to freestyling. Every time I'm in the club, man, the nigga straight wildin'. Get me on that lean, nigga, I'ma act buff. I'ma slap you in your face, nigga, tryna act tough. You ain't about that life, nigga, please go home. Smoking on that perp, had to fade it to the dome. Now I'm high fuck, nigga, and I'm finna snap. When I'm on the beat, best believe it's a rap. I ain't even playing, nigga, like they got the typo. And yeah, you finna die, so I hope you got Geico, nigga. Nigga, I'm the shit. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I can take your bitch, but I don't wanna, cause a nigga too rich. I'm back to getting money on my MOB shit. Nigga, what you mean? And your whole she a fiend. Black tee, Levi, motherfucking jeans with the white forces on. I'm too motherfucking clean. I'm stepping out to the club, man. I'm from the west side. I be throwing up the dubs. And that's 300. Nigga, fuck you. Wanna fight? Let's run it.
Damn. 300 shit, man.
Had that perk, man. Had to get them niggas a little.
Yeah, man. Nigga just vibing. That's what it is. Reggie Pete just killed that shit, man. We out of here straight up. St. Pete, all the way to Dothan. Shout out 727-334. Fuck with us, man. Reggie Pete on Facebook. Hey, man, tell them your Twitter name.
Bitch, I ain't got no Twitter.
Fuck Twitter. Hey, Instagram?
Slim 300 pussy.
Yeah, man. Find me on Facebook. Mookie Man LaFleur. Shit. My Twitter. JustStreet_Gucci. Shit. Fuck me. Instagram. JustStreet_Gucci.